Welcome back to EverWell Chair Yoga. Today's practice focuses on balance and core stability, two important foundations for safe movement and healthy aging. Do not worry about perfection. Simply focus on slow, mindful movement and listening to your body. So let's build strength and confidence together. Sit tall with both feet grounded. Now place your right arm to your chest and your left arm near belly button. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now, let's begin. Four more. Three. Try to hold your breath while you inhale and then exhale slowly. Two more. Very good. Last one. Lift your right knee slowly towards your chest and lower it down. Switch sides. Hold it. For modified version, you can actually hold your legs underneath with your arms or hands and lift it slowly. Hold it. The other side. Three. Four. Two, one. You're doing great. Lift your right knee while extending your left arm forward. Lower slowly and switch sides. Three, move with control. Four, five, six, 7, 8, 7, 6. Don't forget to breathe. 3, 2. Place your hands behind your head. Lift your right knee as you lower the right arm most like moving it. Return to center. Switch sides. Move with control. Two, one. Now lower your arms to your side. Sit tall, feet on the ground. Place both arms on top of the shoulder. Touch both elbows together. Moving upwards. Stretch. Let's do this one more time. Lower your arms. Inhale. Lower your arms. Last one. Hold the chair gently and lift your heels up and down. Now lift your right foot gently and hold. Slowly go down. Switch sides. Hold for 3 breaths. Once again. know how